Here we go.
Like that, wrong side of the moon, no two corners.
Speeding down the road, mate.
Where do we go from here?
Few moments later.
3 police cars have been rammed after the Air Wing tracked an allegedly stolen car through Melbourne's west. Georgia Bennett Murphy has details from Tullamarine, and Georgia, 2 people have been arrested.
A male driver and a woman who was possibly his passenger, Mitch. They were attempting to intercept an allegedly stolen Toyota Fortuner, which had been seen driving erratically through Tarneit, Derrimut, Deer Park and Water Gardens earlier in the afternoon. It all came to a head here in Birch Avenue in Tullamarine, where a civilian vehicle was also rammed, along with 3 police cars. Officers managed to arrest the driver after using OC spray. He's believed to be in his 20s and has been taken to hospital for treatment. Police say it's fortunate no one was injured. Mitch?
Georgia Bennett Murphy at Tullamarine, thank you.
The tea shop closed down, eh?
There have been 12 new cases of COVID-19 reported in New South Wales hotel quarantine. Johnson Johnson has been ordered to pay almost $3 million to thousands of New South Wales.
She's my youth and she's here to stay.
Ain't enough to see that it's a lovely day to go to Blind Factory. 1 free blind. That's the number you should dial. The product and the price will be enough to make you smile. It's a lovely day to be as happy as can be. So don't forget to call them all the Blind Factory.
Hopping to Coles for half-price chocolate treats. There's Cadbury Favourites Cream Egg, 820 grams. Mars Maltesers, 400 grams. And 300.
It's a tail for a long period of time, actually. You think about the Ashes series as well.
Nice one, you fucking moron. Nice for you, Scotty.
Just go through these. And you had to call him back. Bloody hell.
Well, that's going on, Scotty's.
Yeah.
Damn right!
I felt bad for a moment because I thought I was cutting those pedestrians off until I realised I had a green light and they don't. This guy just ran a red light. Yeah, absolutely. First of all, that guy ran a red light, so the hook turner couldn't turn. That was a circle. And then this guy.
You guys are getting side street super normal use. What about this one? Oh, that is really bad. I think that guy back there didn't use an indicator either.
Just decided he'd point his car in that direction and press the accelerator.
and cut the other guy off. Who actually indicated.
Didn't matter what happened. He's just going to go that direction. What about this guy?
Oh my god! No indicator? You're a tool.
Fuckwit!
As I said, she thought it was part of a creative process, not something to be embarrassed about, but something just to admit and reveal. It really moves us into a new part of writing and creativity and what is authorship.
Yes, because it's one thing to be inspired, another thing to have ChatGPT.
Dead during the Capitol riots has been cleared of criminal wrongdoing, and a rocket designed to take people past the edge of space.
The majority of the time at a standstill, looking at the brake lights in front of me. So I was asking myself the question, why am I paying for this? Why am I paying to use these toll roads?
7-3.
The New South Wales Seniors Festival is a chance to come together, whether it's online or out in the sunshine. Explore and learn more at the popular and free New South Wales Seniors Festival Expo with the latest.
Getting about 27 stitches up the lip here.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
I'll tell you, get involved. Horse racing. Oh, you fucking arsehole.
Some friends of mine, well, I saw Magic Million times. Some friends of them, Paul Stormboy won.
Oh, I've got an offer here from Muncie this month.
To get in on it?
To get in on a horse out of, what's the name?
Stormboy.
Stormboy. I don't know about it. So just give you an update on the shows.
What happened to Baraka Quinn again?
Well, it's gone.
It's gone out to pasture.
I can do that. I didn't realise.
You want to know what happened to
Retired.
Baraka Quinn, and we can be clear.
No.
It's just gone out to pasture.
Work behind the scenes. There's a lot of different computer and technical equipment involved. So we know that they've seized all of that equipment and they're forensically analysing it. But the brief evidence is still being prepared. So all we know for now is that it was a strike force made up of detectives from the Cyber Crime Squad in New South Wales, which were investigating this alleged scam. But in court today we heard that the Commonwealth DPP needs some more time to get all of the brief evidence together. So they've been given another 8 weeks to do that.
Okay, so Swansea appeared in court this morning. What's the next step in the court case, do you know?
Yeah, well, he'll remain on bail. He has been on bail since he was arrested.
What do you say, John? Fuck him.
fucking idiot, mate. Fucking dickhead. Fucking hell.
Well, that one's gone, Scotty. That's a bit rude.
Jesus Christ. What are you doing?
And he goes, Joey and Langston. I said, sure. And then he goes, but if they get in this car, I'm sitting in the front with you. I said, no, you're not. I said, you're not allowed to. He goes, fine. Joey's not coming then. What a fucking idiot.
It's gonna get hit. Didn't get it.
Lucky bastard!
There you go, Scotty. What's that one?